In this video, we're going to be looking at concurrency. Our objectives are to set up concurrency investigation. In class, you are going to be doing an investigation into this word concurrency and some of the things that happen. So we're going to set that up so that you can look at it for tomorrow. Second thing is to understand what concurrency is. Here are the vocabulary words. I'm going to start with concurrency, and I'm actually going to talk about this. Concurrency is when three or more lines intersect at one spot. Okay, so it's kind of special. Typically, intersection is just two lines crossing, but we're going to look at what happens, what's special about it when it's three or more lines. So that's concurrency. There are 6 things that happen with triangle concurrencies: incenters, circumcenters, orthocenters, the centroid, an inscribed circle, and a circumscribed circle. Those other 6 words that I just talked about, make sure that you look them up before class. It'll just give you a little insight into what we're going to do. Okay, now you need some paper and a straight edge so that we can set up our investigation. First, what you need is you need to make 6 triangles. Make sure each one is on different paper. The reason for that is we want each one to be separate, and we want enough room so that we're not getting confused what's going on in each one. Make sure that each triangle is big enough to construct on. We're going to be making things like angle bisectors, perpendicular bisectors, some altitudes, and other things like that. But also make sure that it's small enough that the construction fits on the paper. We don't want, when we go to make a football to make perpendicular bisectors, we don't want part of it going off the page because that'll just mess us up. So make sure that it's big enough that our constructions won't be too small to see what's going on, but make sure it's small enough that the construction will stay on the paper. The next thing, after you have all 6 of them created, by the way, it doesn't matter what type of triangle you create. You can create obtuse, acute, right triangles. In fact, it might even be beneficial to do some of each. Then go about and label each triangle. One of them call the Incenter, and what we're going to do on that is find the Incenter for that one. So we're going to look at the directions for finding the Incenter. Then label one of them Circumcenter. Again, we're going to focus on that. Then the Orthocenter, the Centroid, the Circumscribed circle, and if you can catch a connection, connects to the Circumcenter, and the Inscribed circle, which also connects to the Incenter. Notice how the words are very similar. Okay. All you have to do is create these triangles, label them, and bring a compass and straight edge to class so that we can actually investigate this. If there are any questions, please bring those to class, and if you need to re-watch anything because you missed it, please do that. Thank you.